Hello and good morning to all students. Let us discuss our the new point in our topic. Name of the topic is matrices. Up to this video, up to this step, we have discussed our different points in the topic matrices. Definition of matrices, types of matrices. Also, in the last video we have discussed the algebra of matrices. In the algebra of matrices we have discussed how to find equal matrices. After that, multiplication of a given matrix. If a matrix is given, how to find a multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. After that, addition of two matrices and also subtraction of two matrices. Okay, in the algebra there is, if the two numbers are given, then we can make the addition, subtraction or multiplication. Similar way, let us discuss how to multiply the two matrices. How we multiply the two matrices, that is multiplication of the two matrices. This is our new point. Okay, let us see multiplication of matrices. Multiplication of two matrices. Multiplication of two matrices. Okay, just like in algebra we know how to multiply two number. Similar way, in a matrix topic, how we multiply first matrix with the second matrix. For that, suppose if A and B are, if A and B, if A and B are two matrices, if A and B are two matrices, then their product, namely AB, is defined as, or will be defined only when, what is condition here? The two matrices can be multiplied only when here number of columns, number of columns in first matrix A is equal to number of rows in matrix B. Okay, in matrix B. This is the definition of the two matrices. Okay, how we multiply here? If A and B are two matrices given, and their product AB will be defined only when this condition is more important. What is condition? Number of columns in A, matrix A, is equal to number of rows in matrix B. Okay, in simple way we can write it as, if A equal to, that is if matrix A equal to here Aij, this matrix is given. What is by Aij? Aij means the elements in a matrix first, and order of this matrix is m by here 1, m by 1, or we can say instead of using 1, so use our general form m by n. And another matrix b equal to here bij and the order n by p. Look here, these are two matrices, then their product, then product of AB, here A and B, then the product AB is given by, the product AB is given by here, namely Cij, new matrix is say Cij, and what will be the order of Cij? Order of Cij will be m by p, and where, what is Cij? Where Cij equal to, this matrix is nothing but summation r from 1 to n, r from, r means any number, r from 1 to n, here aij, air here, air plus ari multiply by brj. Look here, this condition is more important here. Look at this condition, it is important one. The A equal to aij, this matrix is given, order here m by n, B matrix bij, order n by p, then the product AB is possible only when what is this condition is important. Here summation means multiply according to this rule, number of columns in A. See here, order of this matrix is m by n, here is m means row by, this is a column, row by column, here n represent columns, but in the second matrix this n and this n remain same. Look here, this n and this n are looking same, means what, number of columns in first matrix, look here, number of columns in first matrix must be equal to number of rows in second. Number of columns in first matrix must be equal to number of rows in second. Our matrix B is here n by p, first number for row, second number for, we should observe this number n, and here if these number are different, then we cannot multiply A with B. So this is main condition, and the results obtained here, see here, and Cij means what? Cij means just product obtained by multiplying corresponding element of A and corresponding element of the row of first, column of first, and here corresponding elements in a matrix B. So this is a Cij equal to summation r from 1 to n air multiply by brj. Here r from 1 to n, here also 1 to n. Okay, let us discuss this in by simpler way. Suppose, okay, for multiplication, what is main condition? Multiplication of a row, multiplication of a matrix, row matrix by a column matrix. This is our let us discuss multiplication of a row matrix by a column matrix. Okay, suppose a matrix is given, which matrix? Multiplication of a row matrix. Consider a row matrix here. Suppose a matrix A is given, row matrix A11, A12, A13. This is a matrix having how many rows? Only one row and columns are 3. This is a matrix A having one row, and another matrix B matrix as A11, A21, A2, A31. This is another matrix, and order of this matrix is 3 row and column 1. Okay, look here. Here this is a row matrix having one row. This is another matrix. This is a column matrix, and here according to our product rule. What is our product rule? Here m by n, number of rows and number of columns. Look here. Here m by n, this second number. Look here, m by n, row by column, row by column. Columns are 3. Column number 1, column number 2, column number 3. Columns in first matrix 3 here, and here first number is 3 same. So product AB can be obtained by, here what is A? A means here A11, A12, A13. This is 1 by 3. And here column A11, A21, A31. Order 3 by 1. Okay, and this product AB can be obtained by, look here, row and column 3 and these 3 are same. Therefore the product AB is possible. And how we can find the product of this? The product of this can be obtained by, and what will answer? Answer is, first number is, look here, first number is 1, and here last number is number 1. So result is of matrix having 1 by 1 order. So how will you multiply? Multiplication of a row matrix by a column matrix. Here first number is A11, this first number is A11. Multiply this number with this, means we can say as a A11 into A11 plus this number first multiply by this number first. Okay, second number, or in reference book here A11, A12, A13. Here A11 instead of A12, here matrix will be, we can use another variable here. Instead of A11 we can use as a B11, B21, B31. Use same different letter B. So here will be again B11, here B21, here B31. So multiplication is very easy to understand. A11 multiply by this, A11 multiply by B11. Okay, plus second one. What is answer? A12. A12 multiply by this number. A12 multiply by this. B21. This multiply B21. So B21. And finally here last result, third, plus here A13, this number 3, and here last B31. So this is a rule for finding the product of two matrices. This is a pure definition is given. Some students can easily understand, some students can confused in this multiplication of matrices. But by taking some examples of such type, that is example depend on this matrix multiplication, you can easily understand what is how we multiply the two matrices. Okay, let us take example for solving this type of matrix. Okay, let us take the example for the matrix multiplication. Okay, so I am taking one example here. Suppose a matrix A is given 1 2 5. Look here, this is a matrix. Let A equal to this matrix and B equal to here another matrix 4 1 2. Okay, then find number 1 AB and number 2 BA. Look here, this is our matrix. A given, B given, we have to find the product AB as well as product BA. Let us see for A and B. A and B. Here A matrix means here 1 2 and here 5. This is our first matrix. Multiply with another matrix. Here 4 1 2. This is our second matrix. Now according to our product rule, check whether the product is possible or not. Okay, write first the order of matrix. Look here, in our first example, what are the numbers are here? 1 to 5. So only one row is given, so this is a row matrix. So order is 1 by 3. First matrix having order 1 by 3. So this order 1 by 3. Second, this matrix. Here order is 3 rows and 1 column, 3 by 1. So look here, row number 1, row number 2, row number 3. 3 rows and columns are 1. Only 1 column. According to our rule, number of columns in first must be equal to number of rows in second matrix, then only we can find the product. So what is product? Here product is possible. So product is possible and the result, what will be the order of the new matrix? Look here, what is our first number? 1. Here last number 1. So result is 1 by 1. So in this matrix there will be only one number and order of such matrix will be here 1 by 1. Okay, look here, our first position is 1. So I am making triangle like this. Here also triangle. First position. Here first position. This 1 multiply by 4. So I am writing here 1 multiply by 4. Keep this is in a bracket. Plus we are making summation, means addition. Second number now. Here is a 2. Second position is 2 and come down vertically. Here also 1. 2 multiply by 1. Keep this is in second. 2 multiply by 1. Plus third one here 5. I am keeping this in circle. This is also in circle. Here 5 multiply by 2. So what is the answer here? Look here. Here 1 into 4 4 plus 2 into 1 2 plus 5 to the 10. So order is 1 by 1. So what is the answer here? Answer order having 1 by 1. 4 plus 2 6 plus 10 16. The answer of the product of the given two matrices is given here. Means this is a matrix whose element is only 16 and order is 1 by 1. Okay, so while multiplying, what will do? Go row wise, come down column wise and make the addition of corresponding element. Corresponding elements mean here first position, make the product right here, plus second position in a row, second position in column, make product right here. Third position 5, third position here 2, make the product right here. And just add these three numbers, we will get here 16. Thus this is the technique to find the product of two matrices, and we can the product by row wise and column wise. Okay, now let us find the product. Second is here BA. Is it possible to find the product BA? Let us discuss about the product BA. The product BA. For BA, see here, for the product B. What is B? First write the B matrix. B matrix is 4, 1, 2. Here I am writing here 4, 1, 2. This is a matrix having rows 3, column 1. So order is 3 by 1. Into what will be the A matrix? A matrix has 1 to 5. 1, 2, 5. One row and columns are 3. Columns are 3. Okay, now try to find the product according to our rule. Try to find whether product is possible or not. Here order is 3 by 1, row and columns. Look here, here 1, here first number is 1. 1 and 1 are looking same. Therefore number of columns seen first, number of columns seen first, row and column, number of columns in first equal to number of rows in second matrix, then their product is possible. And what will be the result? The result is the result of this matrix. I am writing result of this matrix is, or we can say the order of this matrix is, what will first number here? 3. Here last number 3. So will give us here 3 by 3 matrix, and that will give us our answer. So what is our rule? How to multiply? Start with this. Go row wise, come down column wise. This is our A. Here row, there is only one row here. Okay, so this 4 multiply by 1. 4 multiply by 1. What is the answer? 4 into 1. So I am writing here 4 multiply by 1. Okay, again 4 multiply by 1 means 4 multiply by 1. What is the answer? 4 into 1, 4. Again in a second, this is row number first. Row number first with column first. Again here same row with second. Row 4 multiply by here 2. 4 multiply by 2 right here. Here 4 multiply by 5 right here. Thus we have multiplied our first row with column first, column second and column third, and answer is written here. Similar way, select second row. Second row here is a 1. Similar way, this second row with first column. So try to multiply. 1 multiply by 1. Here 1 multiply by 1. Okay, finished. 1 multiply by second here. 1 multiply by second. And lastly 1 multiply by 3. 1 multiply by 5. Thus we have multiplied our second row with the given column. Third one, 2 multiply by 1. Same way, here second row with first. Again second with second, 2 multiply by 2. Okay, and here 2 multiply by 5. So what will our answer? What is the answer? 4 into 1, 4. Here 8. Here 20. Correct. Here 1 into 1, 1. Here 2. Here 5. Here 2. Here 2 to the 4. 2 5 the 10. On order will be 3 by 3, and this is the product, that is BA. Thus we get the product BA. Just same example. Okay, A matrix given, B matrix given, and we have find AB as well as BA. but answer in AB matrix and answer in BA matrix, these two answers are totally different. Totally different. So we can say as a, that is AB is just not equal to what? BA. But in algebra, AB equal to BA. Suppose in algebra, we have taken the two numbers, any two numbers. Suppose I have taken a number like this. Suppose two numbers are given. One number is 5, second is 2. See here, 5 into 2. What is the answer? 10. 2 into 5. What is the answer? 10. Here 10 answer. Here 10 answer. It is equivalent, so we can use this. But in a matrix, if instead of this is use here A matrix, here B matrix, A multiplied by B and B multiplied by A, in general, this is not equal. In some example, they give us equivalent, but for all value, it is not equal. Okay, so this is about matrix multiplication. Let us take one example based on same one. So I am taking one more example. If A equal to 2, 5, 1, 3, 2, 3. What is the order? Order of this matrix is 2 rows and columns are, look here, row number 1 and row number 2. So order 2, columns, order is 2 by 3. 2 rows and columns are 3. This is our first matrix. Okay, now take a new matrix B, another matrix, but that matrix should have here rows and columns. Here columns are here 3, so here should be 3 columns. So I am writing here 1, 2, suppose here 4, here 0, 1, 3. So what is the order of this matrix? Look here, row number 1, row number 2, row number 3. 3 rows and columns are 1 column and 2. So then find number 1 AB, number 2 BA, number 3. Show that AB not equal to BA. AB not equal to BA. Let us see whether it is AB possible or not. For the answer of this, let us find AB. What is our A matrix? A matrix is given here. I am writing here 2, 5, 1, 3, 2, 3. And order of matrix is 2 by 3. Here, second one, 1, 0, 2, 1, 4, 3. Order 3 by 2. So, what is our product? According to our rule, let us check whether product is possible or not. Look here, number of rows 2. Look here, 2 rows. Number of columns 3. So we have to observe these 3 number and the first 3 number, these are same. Looking same. So if the 2 numbers are looking same, then the product AB is possible. Otherwise, the product not possible. So what will remain here? 2 and here also 2. So resultant matrix will be order of 2 by 2. Okay, let us find product. How we find the product of such 2? Go row wise, come down column wise and make the product of corresponding element. Means what? Here this is a row and this is column. First element, make the product. Second element, come down, second element, make the product. Third element and third element, make the product. Use same technique here. I am using this row row wise and here column wise. See here I am doing product of like this. Here number 2, here 1. So 2 multiply by 1. Look here. 2 multiply by 1. So here 2 multiply by 1. Okay. And right here like this. 2 multiply by 1. 2 multiply by 1. This is in first bracket. Plus. Go here. 5 multiply by here 2. Plus 1 multiply by 4. This will give us our first answer. First number at this position. So same way. So what is the answer here? Here will give us 2 into 1. 2 into 1, 2. So we will write here. This will give us 2. Correct? See here. 2 into 1, 2. Plus 5 into 2, 10. Plus 4 into 1, 4. This is number 4. So what is procedure? Row wise and column wise. 2 multiply by first number multiply by first. Right here. Second number come down. This. Second multiply by second number. Third number multiply by third. These numbers are here. Similar way. Same first row multiply with second column. So try to write. 2 multiply by 0 here. 2 multiply by 0. Plus. Here second number 5 multiply by 1. Plus 1 multiply by 3. So what is the answer here? This will give us here. Here 2 into 0, 2 into 0, 0. 0 plus here 5, here 3. So this is multiplication of first row. First row, select a first row, first column, second column. Similar way, select as a second row, try to multiply with first. Here 3 number, multiply by this 1. So 3 multiply by 1. Plus second number 2 multiply by here 2. Plus 3 multiply by a third number 4. So what will answer? 3 into 1 3 plus 2 to the 4, 3 4 it is a 12. Okay, now it remains to find the answer of what is number at this position. Means same row with the second column. 3 multiply by 0. 3 multiply by 0. Keep in this bracket. Plus 2 multiply by 1. 2 multiply by 1. Third. 3 multiply by 3. So what will answer here? 3 multiply by 0. What is answer? 0 plus it is 2 plus it is 3 is 9. Okay. So this is about the product, and final answer we can find by easily addition, by adding these two results here. So what is our answer? I am writing the answer of this here at this position. This will give us AB. So 12, 2 plus 10, 12 plus 4, 16. This is the first position. Here 8, here 19, here 11, and this is a product AB. So this is about the number AB. Okay. The answer of AB is, and order is here 2 by 2. Order is here 2 by 2. Okay. So we have to find what is the product of BA. Let us find, because our question is to find BA also. Let us find the BA. Okay. For the BA we should write here. Now for BA. Okay. What is our B? B here 1 0 2 1 4 3. This is a matrix B having order 3 by 2, 3 rows and column. And A matrix here 2 5 1 3 2 3, and order 2 by 3. So what will be the answer of this? Look here, number of rows must be equal to number of columns. See here, this is row, number of column. Number of columns in first matrix. Look here, number of columns in first must be equal to number of rows in second. So look here, here number second number 2 and here 2, same, means the product AB is possible. And what will be the order of resultant matrix? 3 by 3. So here I am writing the order will be of 3 by 3. Okay. So let us write here order should be 3 by 3, means there are 3 rows and 3 columns, total 9 elements. How will you multiply? Go row wise, come down column wise. I am writing direct answer. See here, first position 1. First position 1 with this. This 1 with this 2. 1 multiply by 2. It is 2. Plus 0 multiply by 3. It is a 0. So this gives us our number 2. Okay. Now first row with first column we get our first number. Same way, first row with second column, 1 with 5. So 5 plus 0 with 2. It is 0. So what is answer? Answer is 5. Similar way, same row with third column, 1 with 1 plus 0 with 3. So 0. What is the answer here? It is 1. Look here. Select first row and try to complete, try to multiply all the columns of the second matrix. Use same technique for this. We have multiplied our first row with all the columns. Let us discuss now second one. What is our second one? This is a second row. Multiply second row with first. 2 multiply by 2, 4 plus 1 multiply by 3. What is the answer? 2 multiply by 2, 4 plus 3. Answer is 7. This is our second position. Same way, second row with second column, 2 into 5, it is 10 plus 1 into 2, 2. Answer is here 12. Same way, 2 multiply by here, same second row with third column, 2 multiply by 1, it is a 2 plus 3. Answer is here 5. Okay. Now it remains to find third row. Third row 4 3 with first. Look here now. Now I am taking row number third. I am marking like this. 4 with 2. Multiply. 4 with 2. 4 to the 8 plus 3 into 3 9. Answer will be a 17. Second same way. Third row with second column, 4 into 5, 20 plus 3 to the 6. So answer is 26. Correct? Now last, 4 into this one, 4 plus 3 into 3, 3 to the 9. So answer is 13. and this is a matrix of order 3 by 3. Okay, this product is simply how to multiply this. So look here. So what is our here? Look here. This is our row number first, row number second, row number third. Okay, column number 1, column number 2, column number 3. What is our rule? Select first row, try to multiply all columns, will complete first row. Select second row, try to multiply all columns, will get second row. Select third row, try to multiply corresponding element with this corresponding elements of the second, will get third row. Thus we get AB as well as BA. Okay, our question is A given, B given, then find the matrix AB as well as matrix BA. Look here, AB is here and BA is here. And our third question, find AB, find BA as well as show that AB not equal to BA. Obviously here, answer of AB is this matrix having order 2 by 2 and answer of BA is this matrix. This order is 3 by 3, totally different. Means what? In a matrix, AB not equal to BA in a general. But in some examples, we can take if A is a matrix, B is a matrix. In such a matrix, AB and BA can be possible. If in a general, in some cases, there will be some definitely relation between this. Okay. Now, let us take one more example having a trigonometric concept. This is a name of the topic is here matrix. Okay, but we'll discuss this concept of trigonometry in a matrix by taking element. You have studied trigonometry in 9th standard, 10th standard, also 11th standard, sine, cos, tan, like that. So we'll take some same concept. Suppose matrix A is here sine theta and here cos theta. This is a matrix A. Okay, and B is a matrix here sine theta and a cos theta. Okay, then find number 1 AB. Number 1 AB. Okay, let us find what is the answer of AB. Okay, what is product of this? AB is equal to here. What is A matrix? Sine theta and cos theta. What is the order of this matrix? Order, how many rows? Only one row. So this is 1 by columns are column number 1, column number 2, 1 by 2. And here another matrix having sine theta and here cos of theta. Order here, how many? What is the order of this second matrix? 2 rows. Columns are 1. So according to our product rule, look here. First row, second is column. Row, second is column. We have to observe these two with these two. So they are looking same. Means product is simple one. So product is possible. So what is the product? And the result will be of order 1 by 1. This one is from here and another one is from here. So in result there will be one particular number or one particular number row element. Okay, so multiply according to our rule. Go row wise, come down column wise, but there is only one row. Okay, and there is again one column. So multiply this. First number sine theta with first number sine theta. So we can type sine theta into sine theta. So we can write here sine theta multiply by sine theta plus second row cos theta plus cos theta into again cos theta, and order is here 2 by 1. Okay, so what will answer here? This answer is here. So sin theta into sin theta will get sin square theta plus here cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. Answer is here what? Order will be what? Look here, order 1 by 2, 2 by 1. Result answer will be here 1 by 1. Here first and here first. Here also 1 by 1. And we know in our trigonometric topic, what is trigonometric topic? What is the answer? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. It is equal to 1. In trigonometry identity, we have the identity. Which are the identity of trigonometry in school level? We have discussed here. Look here. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is the first identity. Second identity was 1 plus tan square theta equal to what? Sec square theta. And one more identity, 1 plus, what is the answer? 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. These are three important identities in a trigonometry. Look at our first identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta. What is the answer? That is 1. Look here, sin square theta plus cos square theta is what? It is 1. So this gives us in a matrix 1. So 1 by 1, this is order. And this is our last result. Don't say answer of this matrix only 1. 1 is a particular number, but this is a matrix having only one element. This is about the matrix. Okay. So let us find the same matrix with BA. What is the answer of BA? Okay. Answer of BA. Find AB and second one. Let us find BA. What is meant by BA? So see here, our B here, A here. What is B here? B first matrix. Sin theta and here, cos theta. Order 2 by 1. Look here, 2 rows and column 1. And here, sin theta and here, cos theta. What is the order here? First row and columns 2. So what is the answer now here? The result will be of the form number of rows. Look here, rows and columns. This number 1 and this number 1 are same. So their product is possible. How we find the product? Go row wise, come down column wise. Here is only one row and no column there. Sin into sin. Sin square theta. Okay, the first term is complete. For addition, there is no, here is a different term below this sign. Suppose here is another term and particular number here, then there will be another answer of that number. So here only sin with sin, sin square theta. Correct? So this is our first term. Select same row and multiply with other. So this is row, multiply with this. So here will be sin theta into what? Cos theta. This is our, this multiply by this. So here answer. Okay, now we have multiplied first row with the two different column. We will get our first row. Now this multiplication of sin theta is finished. Now second row with same column, cos theta with this, cos theta with sin theta. Okay, second row with first multiplication is finished, and again here cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta, and this gives the answer BA. Product of B and A is here. Okay. Now in the first example, what was the answer of AB? The answer of AB was the matrix 1. But here The BA is again totally different. Means we can say as again AB is not equal to what? BA. Thus we have discussed our matrix topic considering some basic concepts in a trigonometry. Okay, let us discuss one more example. Let us discuss one more example which is also important one. So this will give us actual techniques in this. So I am taking this. Suppose a first matrix having the elements 1 1 1. This is a matrix A. This is a matrix A, correct? And another matrix B having 7 and 6. What will order of this? 3 rows and columns 1. Here first row and columns 3. Okay, then find AB. Find product AB. Look here, according to our rule, what will answer here? Here AB is equal to, first write A, 1 1 1 1 1 1. So what will order? 1 by 3. Multiply with here 7 8 6. 7 and 6. This is a column matrix. So order is 3 by 1. So what will be the result of this matrix? Result of this matrix will be of order 1 by 1. Look here, this 3 and this 3 one and the same. Number of columns in first matrix equal to number of rows in another matrix. The product is possible and result will be of order 1 by 1. Okay, so how we multiply? According to our rule, go row wise, come down column wise. Row wise, in a row there are 3 elements, in a column there are again 3 elements. So try to multiply this 1 with this 7, 1 with 7, answer is 7, correct? Plus this 1 with 8, 1 multiply with 1 multiply with the second element. So I am writing detail here. So what will the answer? We will discuss here. Order will be 1 by 1. So write detail here. 1 multiply by what? 7. Plus again 1 multiply by this 8. Plus 1 multiply by 6. So what will answer? Here 7 plus 8 plus here 6. Again order 1 by 1. And what is the answer of 7 plus 8 plus 6? The answer gives us here 21 having order 1 by 1. Okay, and this gives us the product AB of the given. Okay, इथं विद्यार्थी मित्रो तुम्हाला हे सांगायचं आहे, मॅट्रिक्स A having the number 3 3 3, all the numbers are looking 1 1 1, सबका मालिक 1. And B matrix also gives us 7 and 6. You know what number 7 is a some lucky number in, okay, you know about this 7 and 6. If we try to multiply first matrix सबका मालिक 1 with the number 7 and 6, how will get answer? We get the answer having the number 21. 21 is also a lucky number. 21 गणपतीला 21 मोदक वगैरे करतात, तुम्हाला माहिती आहे. तर 21च का, तर काय माहीत नाही, पण इथं बघा का प्रॉडक्ट इज कमिंग 21 अगेन बिकॉज दिस इज मॅजिक नंबर 21 and order will be 1 by 1 again 1 सबका मालिक 1. Again if we multiply, if we shift this 21, we can write it as 2 plus 1. What is the answer? 2 plus 1. Answer will be what? 3. Answer will be a 3. And you know what is the 3? 3 what? Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. These are 3. We can say as a God. G for generator. O for operator. D for destroyer. म्हणजेच ब्रह्मा, विष्णू आणि महेश अशा रीतीनं हे जरा मॅजिक स्वरूपात असणारं पण मॅट्रिक्समध्ये असणारं एक्झाम्पल्स की जे न्यूमरिकल बेसवरती हे आपण घेतलेलं आहे. तुम्हाला हे इंटरेस्टिंग वाटावं यासाठीही तुम्हाला आयडिया सांगितलेली आहे. सो हाऊ टू मल्टिप्लाय हे टेक्निक फक्त तुम्ही हे मिळवायचं आहे. या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण फक्त हाऊ टू मल्टिप्लाय गिवन फर्स्ट मॅट्रिक्स विथ द सेकंड मॅट्रिक्स हे आपण बघितलेलं आहे. लक्षात आलं. आणि याच्यावर आधारित एक्झाम्पल्स आपण व्यवस्थित पाहिलेली आहेत. हाऊ टू मल्टिप्लाय द 2 मॅट्रिसेस. ओके. पुढचा व्हिडिओ आहे त्या पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये ह्याच्यापेक्षा ह्याच्यावर आधारित असणारे प्रॉपर्टीज आपण बघणार आहोत. ओके. अँड सम मोर इम्पॉर्टंट पॉईंट्स विच आर useful to us for solving the examples for MSCT exam or JEE exam. Okay. Thank you very much.